Good evening, everyone. Let's start with Bitcoin. I hope you are well. You took some beautiful shorts or longs. Um, I see some guys took some nice longs in the group. So very good job, guys. I'm very happy for you. As you can see, you can always do trades by yourself. I'm not always right, so I'm actually very happy for you. So let's start with Bitcoin. Basically, I want to see this line hold, and this is the actual trade that I'm in. This is where I got in. I got filled today. I think I placed the order. It was like here. I placed the orders and then said like, okay, if I get filled, maybe it's not gonna take this low here. That was my reasoning. It's not gonna take that low, but it seems like it's sweeping this low here, and probably we will turn. I don't know. And I'm also in a swing trade from I think it's 20K, and my stop loss is 1800 500. So is this area here? So and my take. So let me put it here so maybe you can see it better. So you understand what I'm having. Mhm. Uh, 20, it's like 20, okay, yeah, like that. And my take profit is here. I will aim for 25K first. I will see how the market develops, if we're gonna get that, and then if we don't get 25, I mean, if I see the market pushing, I will definitely go for 28. But most likely, I'll be out of most of my positions except the swing trades on Wednesday because we have the FOMC meeting. So I'm expecting to see some massive moves after Jerome Powell finishes his speech. Like right now, the market is pricing in some 100 basis point hike. I don't believe that. University of Michigan kind of helped us on Friday for our bull case. Um, I don't know if you know, but University of Michigan is basically a survey, and it's a leading indicator and not a lagging indicator. The Fed will definitely look at that, and I saw that the inflation expectations are lower than forecasted. It's I think we will have some rollover of the dollar until Wednesday. Probably we will crash on Wednesday. I mean the dollar will be coming in aggressive. Depends on how hawkish Fed Powell is, or if he turns into a dove. We'll see. But for now, this line looks really good. I mean, I told you about this multi-year. Let me put it with red. Where is it? Where's the settings? Um, Here. That's our important line over here. If we're gonna lose these areas, we're gonna it's not gonna be good. So we want to see a monthly close above um nine. I would say above 20K. If we get a monthly close above 20K, I think we will see some relief in the market. Not much to say. I mean, we've been trading this range for like, sorry, we've been trading this range for like 4 months almost. If we put it on the, yeah, this is where the range started. So yeah, almost 4 months now. So This type of consolidation doesn't look very very good. If we gonna drop, I mean, we're kind of sitting on Fibonacci support and everything. So this is like a very, very strong area, to be honest. It needs a really, really big catalyst to keep on going down. Obviously, if I'm wrong, there is nothing wrong with that. I cannot be always right. I just hope that you manage your risk when I'm telling you to take a trade. I'm certainly doing it. This is this move doesn't scare me at all. I mean, if I'm gonna lose this, yeah, then I'll be, let's say, I'll be out of my positions. But I'll let it to hit the stop loss. That's why I have it. So I mitigated my risk basically. Really not much to say. If you want to take the trade from lower from this area here, you'll get a better risk to reward, right? As I said, I'm using 0.20% to 1% per trade. So when I take scalps like this, I use not scalps, but this is more short-term trade. I take a bit more risk into my portfolio. It's like zero point 0.5 or something. Um, Let me go back to crypto. Um, this one, yeah, remember like we talked last week, we said if Ethereum cracks this area, oh no, this area, this is where we actually looked at it. I took a very aggressive short here. It swept me. Then I reshorted like on this break here, and I took profits. I think it was here 1,480. Yeah, and now it keeps grinding down. This is the last line to hold, guys. If we keep gonna grind down, um, it's gonna really really go. I told you like I would wait for a confirmation of some sort that I will take a long here. Um, that was like my long, basically. But as I told you in the last update, I didn't take it. I'm not interested in this kind of trades because it looks very very volatile and not very very strong, to be honest. Um, yeah. So you see, I didn't have any like 4 hour candle close. That's one of my triggers, but I also use the Ichimoku Cloud and PSR on the hourly time frame to perfect my entries. So what I want to see is the lagging line crossing above the cloud, so it can kind of give me some sort of reversal. And the PSR didn't show any type of reversal on the hourly, right? So we only had it here, and then it started here to kind of like sell off. So not something ideal. Definitely not something that I want to see. Eventually, these two will catch up, and if they catch up, like if the price holds here in between these two area, if it goes like this, let's say, um, you know, if it just like this and they catch up, and I see a break above the lines, let's say they do like converge here, and I see a break above, then that's like a signal for longs, and especially if all the indicators are pointing to that. Of course, also if we have like some good hourly candles and 4 hour candles, sorry. Yeah, I would say if you really want to long, I might take a small position here, um, with a stop loss here, and that would be my target. So I get like a 3.5 hour trade. It's not something. I told you I don't like Ethereum at this point. I think it was very good for shorts. I took some shorts. I don't know if it was eh, where was it? Yeah, it was here. This short here, we took it, and I think I took along from 1550, and then I shorted towards this area here. Um, it's not. Uh, I don't trade Ethereum that much, to be honest, guys. It's just for you, right? No, it's I do this update for you to see like where I believe the price will go. It's not an asset that I know very well, but Bitcoin I know it very well. We get along very well. So this guy here, we had this. Let me see if I can pull this trend line here. If it falls like I showed you, see, I want to see this line hold here. So it's gonna be like that. So it's okay if this line holds. I'm happy to kind of be in this long position. I told you, no shame in being wrong. It happens. You're not God, and sometimes the market outplays us, no matter how good we are. Euro dollar, I really like this. Remember what I told you in the last update? Oh, where are my drawings? Oh, okay. Weird. Some of my drawings disappeared. I'll check that later. Sorry for this glitch. Yeah, we had this trade. I told you that I wanted to short this area. In the last update, I really talked about this line here. If it holds, it's good for longs. Now I got like this sort of double confirmation here. So what I want to long is this area. I will definitely probably do it at the market open. So if I get like a 2 hour trade, I'm really happy. I can basically it depends. Like if I can put the stop loss like this, but I will use like as I told you, like a dynamic stop loss. I will manage the trade myself. Like I will put like some alerts here and here. So I will see how the price develops. But so far, this looks good. It's trying to reclaim the top of the range here. This range here. Um, uh, that's the top of the range, but that was like a sweep. So this area here looks pretty good. Um, Let me delete this for a while so we can. Yeah, so we're kind of good. I really want to see a 4 hour candle close above this area here. If it's gonna do that, then it's really good for longs. But we kind of bounced off from the 100 moving average. Let me see what these guys are telling me. Pa-pa-pa-pa-pum. Yeah, so we kind of when it's thin like this, you see, like it kind of breaks out. Uh, we're still in this very sharp, very ugly range. Let me see. So this was like some presentations, I think. Let me check this guy. Yeah. So there is not much. I talked about this area here. It's good for longs. If we're gonna lose this 0.98, it's the area where to look for longs. But as I said, I think we're gonna roll until Wednesday. We're gonna go up. I think that's my philosophy. If I'm wrong, no problem with that. But I I am quite sure the market will pump and sell the dollar. Australian dollar, uh, monthly chart. Let me take out the. Sometimes these are noise. Let me. Yeah, it was the weekly. Yeah. So we had this area here. I think I drew it like that. So I mean, this looks very very good for a macro pullback. Yeah. So I'm gonna at the market open, I'll take a long like this. So it's gonna be like that. Yeah, that's my long, fellows. So you see, like I think overnight it might not break this area. It might do like this, and then at the London Open it will pop up. Yeah, same for the other assets. British pound. I'm in this long from here. I told you in the group I'm gonna take this long. DXY. Um, I showed you a possibility that it might do something like this. Uh, that's why I think it's gonna come back into this range low and range until Wednesday. This one here, we talked about it. We said this is where you kind of want to look for shorts. You build shorts in this box here, and then come down. Basically, this is also the midpoint from 2020 to 2022. So just be mindful of this 50% Fibonacci here. You can, I mean, it looks very, very good for a short here, to be honest. So I think I'll build some small shorts, see what they do. Oil, bleh. Yeah. As I talked about oil, it's either gonna be range bound in this area here, or it's gonna come down. Right now, I think it wants to push lower. I'm not gonna trade oil. I'm just gonna wait. The 10-year yields finished strong, and they look for a breakout. But I think before did we take the high? No. Ah, bastards. We didn't take the high. But if we did, if we're gonna take this high, expect a move like this, or even um, like like this. We'll see. We'll take it as it is. But for now, it looks strong. Not much to say about where is it? This guy. I told you like if I were to take a short, that would be my short. So break below this area. Um, break below. When it grinds like this, it has a tendency to break out. Just so you know, on all assets, you don't want to see grinding, right? When it grinds, it's breaking out. Um, it can be the other direction, but right now it's kind of like we have everything looks very very solid. I mean, I got a signal from both of the indicators. Yeah, I think that's the update for today. Um, just be patient for now. Bitcoin, as I told you, we're gonna wait until market opens. Maybe this is just a flash, and then it goes up again. It's at a critical level either way, so it has a lot of work. I think it needs a catalyst to break out. So yeah, I think that's it. Have a great evening and see you tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow in the market.